Effortless implementation of an employee discount program. Experience the power of offering discounted services with Zoho Suite modules. Our solution simplifies the process of launching and managing a discount program, with effortless implementation for both employers and employees. An employee discount program can create job satisfaction and boost employee engagement. We created an employee discount program with seamless integration into Zoho and their existing WordPress portal. Our dedicated SNS system team has developed a specialized Zoho module to create client-specific plans, coupled with a dynamic WordPress module to calculate discounts based on employer plans. With this solution, clients can offer exclusive discounts either by percentage or by fixed dollar amounts to staff by enhancing their access to affordable CNA training programs. Workflow.
From here, let's start the workflow, how it works, employee referral program. And from here, we can use one portal from here, and second thing is the Zoho, right? And what we are doing here, we are syncing from portal to Zoho and Zoho to portal here. Okay, let me show you what you have to do. That suppose from here in this account module, these are we call modules, and from account modules, we created one user, right? Or either you can create the account for your organization from here. So I already have created for the account. Here you can see that I added account's name here, right? The address, owner should be by default it's coming. And here I selected one of the employer plan, okay. And also I provided the email ID. So on the basis of email ID, I already logged in this portal here, okay. But before I'm going through this portal, right, let me show you one more thing. That is the employer plan, what it is, okay. So from here, you have to create a organization account itself. And as soon as you created the account here, it will provide a organization login ID user credential so that they can log in from the portal itself, right? Okay. And so how you can create the employer plan also, right? If you can click directly from here, you can visit this employer plan. This is the one that I created. But let me show you from the module wise. Here we have employer plan module. Here I created multiple employer plan. So suppose if you want to create any employer plan right here, you have to just click on this button here and add the name whatever you want to as per your concern discount package or referral package here, right? And here you have to choose that the plan type is percentage or fixed amount. Fixed amount, it is like, suppose if the course fees is like $500, right? So you can, if you selected the fixed amount here, right? And here you choose that, suppose if the discount amount will be like the $100, right? From here, so it will discounted 100 rupees from the total amount of the courses, right? And if we selected percentage here, so it will like whatever the suppose 10% if I selected here, so it will discount the 10% of the total of the course fees. Okay. So that's how we created this employer plan here. Here you can see, right? Okay. And at the time of creating an account, I selected this employer plan. So I just log in on this portal as I mentioned here, right? Here you can see the email ID that I created from here, right? And after login, what you can see that is an invite staff menu from here itself, right? So if you can click here, here you can see the staff's names, staff emails, and the location. So I also can see all the referral entries that you can see here, right? I will mention you that what are the things that here you can see the what status. Here you can see the pending arrest and what that means. Okay. So first, what you have to do, you have to add the name. Suppose I added my name here. Okay. And from here, you have to add the email ID. So currently what I am doing, I am sending this discount to our one of our student or employee or staff. Okay. And here you can choose the location, from which location they want to do the courses. Okay. So if I selected one of this Moore registration, and I can also add many in a single time, and I can send the invitation in a bulk can from here itself. Okay. Also can remove from here, and we have a validation too, right? So if I just click on the send invitation button here, so here you can see the one pop-up shows that invitation in email invitation sent successfully. So just click on OK here, and here you can see the one more record added here, right? That I just added for the stop. My name is showing, the email ID showing, the pending status, like I didn't register yet, so I have to, and here you can see the date, right? So here in the US, you know that you follow the MMDDYY, right? Month, date, and year wise, and the time also. So in the email, I received one email from here, right? And this is my subject. Okay. And here, this is the subject. So currently I'm in a testing module and a testing portal, right? So, and also I'm using the testing mail, right? So this is not the main email here. So I can show you the whole live section, right? As for our agreement. So yes. So from here, what you have to do, you have to click on this link here. So this is your employee, your or staff or student will receive this type of mail, and from here you can see that as soon as they click on the link here, first it will show that you have to create your account. Okay, so I'm creating the account from here. Username, password here I have to mention. Okay, first name, last name, email address, date of birth, address, phone number, city, state, zip code, phone number, gender, emergency contact name, emergency contact phone number, and how did you find us? This is not required, so either you can select or not, and you can register it from here itself. And it will redirect to the shopping cart from here itself. Here you can see that it's from the in this organization, in this location already the tuition and the deposit. So this is other programs or the courses, right? So as I'm showing the dummy site for now, so that's why it showed dummy images and all, right? Here you can see. So these are the add-ons, okay? And this is the actual course, main course fees also mentioned here, right? And from here, whatever the total amount, right? Here I use that referral discount, right? So here you can see that I use this employer pay 20% discount from here, right? So that's why it's coming $550. With this 20% discount, it comes $110 removal, and the total D will be like $440, right? So from here, I have to check out. So you have to click on proceed to check out, right? It comes the location, okay, the amount, and you have to just click on, if you mentioned that if you have to update the card, certainly from you can do from here, right? And from here you have to do payment, okay. Here one capture type of thing will show here for security purpose of the payment that I'm doing here. Here, this is the terms and conditions, and here I have to mention the name, date, and just click on complete registration from here itself. Here you can see thank you message showing here, and also I received, means as a employer I received a registration program, that online registration is successful. Here you can see with all the details that I also paid amount, right? And the employment details also, the user ID and password. So I can log in the account of them. So this is how it shows. And also the best part is as soon as I complete the registration, I already logged in this. Okay, and if you want to log in, we have a login portal also. So this is our login portal. From here, we can log as an employer, staff, or student. So this is how it works. And also, let me show you one more thing, that whenever any student added, right? Also, you can see the status here, right? As soon as the registration is done, right? It will show it registered here. And as soon as the payment when completed from the student side or the employer side or from the staff side, right? If I can refresh this account, from this account, I send one employer, right? Staff to this. You can see that what are the referral here, whatever the records that is visible here, all are registered from our portal or from this organization. And here you can see the amount will be visible here, right, with the beginning date, right? And from here you can visit the student module. Also, we have a student module. From there we can add it for each record for employer, staff, or student. You can see here, you can see the all the information that was visible here, right, with the proper amount and all. So this is it. So that's how we sync, two-way syncing works from portal to Zoho and Zoho to portal.